This is the JG Bar 10 $130 version with a illuminated scope. It's a pretty good sniper's scope, but this is not mine, it's my friend's. I'm just reviewing it for him. He put a very colorful rope on it, and he tried to spray paint it pink, and then tried to spray paint it black, but his mom bought the wrong paint and it got brown. So now it has a brown barrel, until he fixes that.
Black and pink make brown too.
Yes, black and pink also make brown. So, okay, so it's cocking it back. Cocking it back is pretty easy, but you do have to go like this and look away from the scope. It has a really nice scope that when you turn it on, it does illuminate. Pretty good. I'll show you it later in the video. We have it sighted on. The safety for the gun is right here. You pull it back for safety and push it up for firing. Still works pretty good. The scope can zoom very far, and it also has a hop-up, go back and forth here. To take out the mag, you push in a button, and you pull it out. How many BBs does it hold? The mag holds about 30 BBs, and the speed loader doesn't fit in the hole, but you can still easily put it in. The butt stock on the gun also comes off.
Just go while you're at it too.
But you have to pry it off pretty hard, and it will go back about to here on the barrel.
For extra mags.
For extra mags and whatever else you want to put in. Okay, so this is the scope. It has 11 different modes of how high it goes. And that's the highest mode. You may not be able to see it pretty good on the camera, but in real life it is very bright during the nighttime, and it's still very bright during the daytime. And it's a very good scope, and you can sight it in, and it can zoom in a pretty far distance.
They're starving for a